Can't believe Memorial Day is finally here, you guys. Well, we are doing something good for the people that saved a lot of people back then many years ago. They were doing their job of protecting their home. The Allied forces saved a lot of people. We'll never forget those who died in the war. We'll never forget them. Don't you have an excursion to take, Corporal? Oh, right. Sorry about that, Lieutenant. Now get going, soldier. Chop, chop. We gotta make sure a lot of people remember what all the people did all those years ago, serving the Allied forces. They will always be remembered every single day. Now get going, son. Run away, sir. Hey, Daylight, why are you in your American Freedom Train colors? I'm showing my respect to people that died during the war. It's a memorial. Oh, I see. Well, all those people in the Allied forces didn't deserve that, but they were only doing their job to save their home. I understand how it feels. Many people had died during war, and it's not a pretty sight. All those people out there in the Allied forces didn't deserve to die, Dad. Son, they were only doing what they were doing to protect their home. I know, Dad. And I'm happy that a lot of people in the Allied forces saved a lot of people. They were doing what was right, and I believe that a lot of people didn't want to go through the war, but they had to. War's not very nice at all. That's why we have this day, to remember those that died during the war. We'll never forget them.